Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has assured to examine the demand for immediate implementation of the Inner Line Permit and inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule to the Constitution of India. Speaking on the matter of ILP, the Chief Minister said that the Prime Minister has said that he will be in touch with the state government and he will have a discussion with the Home Ministry too. A delegation led by Chief Minister Conrad Sangma had met and submitted a memorandum to the Prime Minister requesting his intervention on ILP languages and other issues concerning the state of Meghalaya.
People of the state for the inclusion of Garo and Khasi language in the 8th schedule, and for that also he understood the concerns that were there, understood the challenges that our people are facing. We mentioned to them that out of the entire process, the fact that our children have to sometimes are not able to give the examination because there are languages which are not known to them. Similarly for the ILP also, we expressed our concerns. Today happens to be the International Indigenous Day. And just one day before that, we met one of the Prime Minister and expressed to him the desire of the people of the state to have a mechanism in our state where we could have provisions through which we could protect the interest of the people of the state.
Chief Minister